Hello, WeHo. I'm not gonna lie to you. Here in West Hollywood and around the globe, the COVID-19 pandemic continues to impact our daily life. To make matters worse, misinformation about the coronavirus has been spreading faster than the virus itself, leading to dangerous behavior such as refusing to wear masks, to injecting disinfectant. During this global emergency, the most important voices that we should be listening to are from those who base their information on actual science. So, we'd like to highlight some of these intelligent humans with our salute to scientists. Dr. Anthony Fauci, a leading member of the coronavirus task force and a much-needed voice of reason during this pandemic. Fauci has served as director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases since 1984 and was one of the leading researchers during the AIDS epidemic of the early 80s. The New York Times' Denise Grady has described him as, quote, widely respected for his ability to explain science without talking down to his audience. As we can see in this clip where Dr. Fauci breaks down the fundamental steps all Americans can take to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
And the fundamentals are not rocket science. It's universal wearing of masks, avoiding crowds, close the bars, stay physical distance, personal hygiene, washing your hands. When you have restaurants, avoid indoor as much as possible. If you do those things, masks, no crowds, physical distance, personal hygiene, no doubt you're going to be able to turn these things around with something as simple as that.
Another simple strategy for fighting the spread of the coronavirus is to increase testing, which is currently being facilitated by our next scientist, Dr. Jennifer Dudley. Best known for spearheading the genome editing technique known as CRISPR, this biochemist is the executive director of the Innovative Genomic Institute and leads a COVID testing center that processes over 1,000 patient samples a day. During a recent interview, Dudley emphasized the importance of testing.
One of the most important things to be done right now to address the disease is to understand who's infected and how to keep others safe.
Efficient testing, coupled with simple precautions like wearing a mask, is crucial to combating COVID. And if you don't believe me, maybe you'll believe this familiar face, Bill Nye. This mechanical engineer and media personality has taught multiple generations the importance of science. First in the 90s with his show, Bill Nye the Science Guy, and currently with Netflix's Bill Nye Saves the World. Nye has always been a strong advocate for science, which is so important during a time when anti-intellectualists insist on putting their personal opinions over common sense, which he breaks down for us during this recent interview with Gayle King.
We have rules. That's how we run our society. You pay taxes on the whole road, but you only get to drive on one side at a time. That's in everybody's best interest. And there was a long time when people thought, well, we can't ban cigarette smoking in restaurants. We'll lose business. We can do this, everybody. Wear a mask.
Gladly, Bill Nye. And as always, keep it healthy, West Hollywood.